In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data table in Screen Flow, Salesforce step-by-step. Data table in a Screen Flow. We'll start right in Salesforce. Make sure you're using Lightning Experience and that you have permission to build flows. From the main app, open the gear icon in the top right and go to Setup. If you see an option to open the Advanced Setup experience, choose it so you're taken to the full admin setup area. This gets you into the place where all automation tools, including Flow, live. Once you're in Setup, use the Quick Find box on the left and search for flows. Click Flows to open the Flow Setup page, then select New Flow to create a fresh one. When prompted for a flow type, choose Screen Flow. This gives you a flow that can present a user interface, which is exactly what we need for a data table. You'll land in Flow Builder with a blank canvas and the Elements panel on the left. Next, let's fetch the data we want to display. From the Elements panel, add a Get Records element. Give it a clear label, then select the object you want to show, such as accounts, contacts, or any custom object your scenario requires. Define filter criteria to narrow the results to what users should see, like active records or items related to a specific condition. For how to query records, choose to get all records that match the conditions. For how to store fields, pick automatically store all fields so the table can reference any field without extra assignments. Now add a screen element. Open the screen configuration, then add the data table component from the standard components. Point its source to the collection that came from your Get Records element. Decide whether you want users to select a single row or multiple rows, depending on your use case. Then configure the columns, add the fields you want visible, adjust their order, update the column labels for clarity, and set widths or alignment if needed. Keep performance in mind. Fewer, well-chosen columns load faster and are easier to scan. Before we preview, make sure your org has some sample data that matches your filters. If nothing fits, update or add a few records so the table won't be empty during testing. Back in Flow Builder, click Debug, run the flow, and confirm your records appear in the data table with the correct columns and formatting. If you see no rows, double-check your filters and record visibility. If something looks off, tweak the column setup and try Debug again. And that's it. Your Screen Flow now fetches records and displays them in a clean, configurable data table.